make aftermarket parts for the collectible automobile, from door seals to window gaskets to taillight lenses. Just about anything that's rubber that seals the car up, we make.
Yeah, every part is a challenge in itself. The geometry on these parts are a level of difficulty that you don't see in many products. This is a lock pillar filler for a 70s model Chevy. There's nothing square or geometric about it. It's all complex surfaces. As we re-engineer a part, we're looking at how can we maintain that same form and function of the part, but how can we also improve that along the way. PowerShape is an incredibly powerful program that we use.
We 3D scanned this part and then brought that 3D scan into PowerShape. It lets us design the mold. Then we move the mold geometry over to PowerMill and develop tool paths to produce that mold. That core allows us to produce undercut geometry that we couldn't produce if the mold was all one piece. The original was more of a PVC. It was more prone to failure. The new part, being a rubber, has better properties for sealing and also a longer useful life. The support is outstanding. I put holes in with features. When we ask a question, the response is nearly immediate. The answer is always very pertinent and straightforward to what we're needing at the time.
We get lots of great feedback, basically telling us how well the parts fit, how easy they were to put into the car. Bottom line was PowerShape PowerMill decreased our lead times approximately about 50%. It's been amazing. It's just amazing.